How to tag someone on Instagram Reels. To tag someone on Instagram Reel, you need to follow the steps. Open up your Instagram application and log in. After logged in, tap the plus icon from the bottom of the page, and then you could go ahead and select Reels. Alright. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and take a video, or maybe let's say I've created one. You could also upload it from the existing photo or the video from your gallery. Now let's say this is the reel that I'm gonna upload it and tag someone. Now I'm done taking a video and tap on the next button. Here you could go and make changes, all that. If you're sure about it, move on to the next step by tapping the next button. Now here you have these options where you could add captions, tag people, and add location. To tag people, simply click that out. Now then click on add tag and type in the username. So for example, this is the one you simply selected. You could add as many people as possible, or you could add tags. And once again, I'm going to go ahead and add another person. So now you just need to go ahead and select it, tap on the tick icon in the top right and click on the share button. And this is how you could tag someone on Instagram Reels. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.